Ooh, wow! I love beach. I love walk by the beach. Hi, little dog. Why do you look sad?
Oh no! Guess what happened? The little dog just noticed that the letter A is missing from the wooden sign.
I should find the letter A. But where?
Before we continue our adventure with Luth, let's learn to spell. Do you know how to spell Bali?
Bali.
Yes, B-A-L-I. Bali.
Hi, Mother Turtle and Little Turtle. Did you see the letter A falling around here? I should find the letter A. But where?
Before we keep going on our adventure, did you know that some turtles can live for over 100 years? Wow, that's older than your great-grandparents. And here's another little fact. Turtles don't have babies like people do. They lay eggs in the sand, and tiny baby turtles hatch and crawl to the ocean all by themselves. And, psh, they've been around since the time of dinosaurs. Turtles are really old. They've been living on Earth for more than 200 million years.
I should find the letter A. But where? Hello, Mother Muscovy Duck. How are you? Do you see the letter A around here? Maybe I'll just go along with the water's path. Hi, Mother Cow and Little Cow. Do you see the letter A?
Well, okay, it seems like everyone doesn't know where the letter A is, but do you know what animals Luth already saw in Bali? Yes, dog. Muscovy duck. And cow. Good job.
Oh, Mother and Father Chicken, do you see the letter A around here? Oh no, it's getting late and I still haven't found the letter A. I better go back to the dog. Hey, little dog, don't be sad. We'll find the letter A tomorrow, I promise.
When the sun goes down in the evening, that's called sunset. The sky turns orange, pink, and purple as the day ends and night begins. When the sun comes up in the morning, that's called sunrise. The sky changes from dark to bright, and the day begins.
Aha! Mother monkey and baby monkey. Have you ever seen the letter A in this forest? I know what to do. The Bali starlings can look for it from up in the sky.
While waiting, the Bali starling bird searched the letter A from sky. Do you know what is Bali starling bird? Look, that's the Bali starling. It's a beautiful white bird that lives only here in Bali. See the blue around its eyes? That's so cool. It's the special bird of Bali. and people are working hard to keep it safe so it doesn't disappear.
Let's go for a walk in the forest. Maybe we'll find a clue about the missing letter A. Oh, there you are, Mama Deer and Little Deer. We're looking for the missing letter A. Have you seen it anywhere around here? Wow, look, it's a banana farm. I love bananas. Yum, yum. Let's save some bananas for later.
Okay, let's take a look inside Luth's backpack. How many bananas do you think are in there? Can you help me count them?
Let's count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 bananas.
5.
I think the Bali starling said it saw something around here. But where could it be? Look! It's up there. The monkey's got the letter A. Quick, let's catch the monkey and get the letter A back. Aha! I've got an idea to get the letter back from the monkey. Come on, little monkey. Give me back the letter A.
Well, before we see how Luth gets the letter A back, do you know what color a ripe banana is? Yes, it's yellow. Do you want to spell yellow with me? Y-E-L-L-O-W.
Yellow.
Yay! Good job! And thank you for joining Luth's adventure today. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Goodbye.